In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add photo in circle frame on Canva. So first of all, I need to add a circle frame here. To do that, we need to go to the element section from the left panel. Under it, we need to look for an option of frames. So we need to scroll down a bit and then you'll see this option of frames. Under it, we'll see this circle frame. We just need to drag it and place it on your canvas just like this. And to increase the size of it, we just need to drag the corners like this and now place it where you want. So I want to place it in the center. And now once you add your circle frame, it's time for adding an image inside this frame. To do that, we need to go to the upload section. If you want to upload your own image, then click on the upload files and select the image which you have. So I have this image, I need to select it, then click on open, and now it will start uploading that image on Canva. Once the uploading is done, we just need to drag that image and place it inside your circle frame like this. But if you hover over that image outside the circle, the image will not get inside the circle frame. That's why we need to take it inside the circle frame. And now once you set the image inside the frame, we need to double tap on that image and now place it where you want. So I want to place it like this, and to increase the size of it inside circle, we need to drag the corners like this and now place it where you want. Once you are satisfied, hit enter on your keyboard. Now to download this circle image, we need to click on share from the top right corner. Then we'll see an option of download. Then checkmark this option of transparent background, but this feature requires Canva Pro. I don't have it, that's why I'm not gonna checkmark the option. So we just need to select our file type as PNG and then hit download, and that's how you can add photos in circle frame in Canva. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.